fam, it's your girl CC back with another video. Finally, if you're new to my channel, I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a family member, welcome back, fam. So y'all already know from the title of this video, I'm trying my hand at decorating, so you guys might see a little something back there. And when I tell you it was not an easy feat, it was not. But if you want to see how we got from a messy coffee bar to our Valentine's Day themed coffee bar, stay tuned. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do.
Okay, y'all, so last night I skipped over to Target Home Goods to see what I could see for this coffee bar, because I don't know if some of you guys know, but Valentine's Day is like one of my favorite holidays. So just to kick things off in the right direction for Valentine's Day, I decided to redecorate my coffee bar. So let me show you the things that I picked up from Target, and then I'll show you guys the things that I picked up from Home Goods. I'm not a decorator, but we are going to try to get it done. So let's go. So I got 2 of these little jars, and I got cake and a cupcake. I thought this card was really cute, so I picked this up. They had the 3 little signs: I love you, a latte, love, and then we go together like cream and sugar. Some tea towels, some Reese's Hearts. I got this little tier tray, some straws, and some napkins, stirrers, and cup holders. So that's what I got from Target, but you know your girl couldn't stop there, so I had to head over to Home Goods. Let me show you guys what I got from there. Okay, Home Goods items were a little bigger, so I'm gonna stand up to show those to you guys. We got a runner with love at the bottom. Got a Valentine's Day garland. We got a little sign that says all you need is love. I literally searched the whole store and found the last pack of reusable cups. So note to you girlies, if you're going to decorate for the season, go the season before, because it's the beginning of February. Today is February 3rd, so I went shopping February 2nd, and I was behind the curve. Like literally almost everything was gone. So start early. The lady was like, yeah, our Valentine's Day stuff has been out since Christmas, and I was like, okay, so clearly I'm late. But I found these and I think they're so cute. We got a little cup with the heart handle. We got a tiered tray, and this has like butterflies on the back, but if I don't want to see the butterflies, then I could just turn it. I was looking for a gold one, but they didn't have it, so silver it is. So let me show y'all what we're working with. This is the mess that we are working with. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and we are going to organize and decorate this coffee bar. So come on.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high.
Y'all, I had to call in reinforcements, say hey to my sis.
Hey guys.
Y'all already know it is the decorator extraordinaire, Love by Camping. It's Katina. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute as soon as I get off the phone. But I just wanted to let y'all know that your girl couldn't do it on her own because she's not a decorator. I definitely had to call in reinforcements because I got frustrated. But I think we have an amazing product, so I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, babe, come and give me your reaction to my first decorated.
That got me on camera look like an old man with my pink cane.
Oh, but at least they know you walking now. Look at you. A little bit.
Just started today, barely. Barely. 15 years later, that's how I make it on there to the coffee bar.
All right, a penny for your thoughts.
It's really nice. It's like so well put together, like you don't want to touch it. I don't want to get coffee, but I love coffee. So. But you really did, for the space that you have, I think that's neat with the pods and the candy in here. I like that. And like the cars. I think y'all did yourself. I can't wait to see what you do in the next level.
What next level?
You have an actual, you have a coffee bar here, but you actually have a whole kitchen and everything decorated.
I think I did really good. I had to call in some reinforcements, like I said, but I'm pretty happy with it. And I think I'm happy that I was able to make all of my selections work.
Time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
Well, fam, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube channel, ccsworldtv. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I truly appreciate it. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.